Hello everyone, welcome back to my session. My name is Ramesh. In today's session, we were going to discuss about fetching HashMap values in Java. There are multiple ways to fetch HashMap values in Java, and this is one of the most important entry question. Let's check it how many ways we can fetch the HashMap values in Java. The first one is using traditional method approach, and second one is using advanced for loop, and third one is using Java 8 streams. And let's check it in Eclipse tool. For that, I'm going to create new class called HashMap demo, which is having main method. Now I am just going to create HashMap class here. See here, this is how we need to create it. Integer, and then value is string map. Okay, HMap equal to new HashMap. So let's import the map and HashMap clauses here. I am just trying to add HMap dot put method. We know that we need to use put method to add objects, right? So one, and then India is the object. I am just adding it, adding four more objects here, three more objects, two USA, and third object is Australia, fourth object is UK. Okay, so in the normal fashion what we can do is just print it actually. Okay, just HMap, we will get the values as the key value pairs output. Actually see here, one India, two USA, three, third object Australia, and fourth one is UK. Okay, this is the normal way actually, but the other way is if we want to get the keys and values separately. Okay, so for that, what I am doing is just directly I am just printing in sys out actually, either of the way. Otherwise we can store it like in the list object also, but directly I'm just printing it actually. Okay, h map dot, okay, key set method is there. Okay, let's print it. See, only keys we will print it here, and if you want to print only values, that is also possible. This is hmap dot values method is there. See here, values. Okay, let's try to execute the program. Values, we got it actually. Okay, these are keys and values. This is another way, and another way is using iterator interface. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to create is iterator interface. ITR, I'm just referring it, and hmap dot entry set is there. This is the entry set which is available, and dot iterator method, we need to use it. This is the iterator method. So now I'm doing, what I'm doing is, let's import the iterator interface here, java.util1, and using while loop. Okay, I'm just iterating it, itr dot as next. See it, it will just return the boolean value. If object is present, then it will return boolean, otherwise it is written false. I'm just printing it, itr dot next method. See here, if we put it next method, just keep the cursor here, what it will returns the next element in the iteration. That is the purpose of using next method actually here. Okay, now let's try to execute the program. See here, one India, two USA, three Australia, four UK. These four objects we got printed actually. See, okay, now I am just commenting it, and now printing another way actually using map actually, map dot entry. Okay, map dot entry, and then map. This is another way actually, map equal to, I am just casting it, map dot entry object. Okay, and dot itr dot next method. As we know that it will print next element actually. Okay, see this one. Okay, now we need to import corresponding one. Okay, map interface here, map dot entry E is capital here. Now it is gone, error. Now what we need to do is we need to just print this one, right? Values map dot get key method is there. Okay, now value is just giving some space here. Okay, and value I'm just going to print it. So map dot get value. Okay, this is the another way of printing. I mean getting the fetching the hash map values, key value pairs. Now see here, this is the colon we have separated, right? First one is India, second one is USA, third one Australia, fourth one is UK. This is the another way actually. And the next way is using for loop. Okay, advanced for loop. Okay, so now let's try to print it. For actually I'm just taking integer, okay, just key, okay, as the reference. Now I am taking hmap dot, okay, get key method. Okay, this is the key set method, right? Yeah, key set method is there. Okay, now I'm printing this one. Okay, so using for loop. Okay, using for loop plus just this key value I'm just giving it. Okay, let's try to just get the value. See here, using for loop, key is 1 2 3 4. Similarly I will go for value also, which is of type string. Okay, and value, right? Okay, hmap dot values method is there. Okay, now let's try to just use this one. Similarly I will copy this one here. Okay, so instead of using this one, right, values, okay, value, I will just print this value here. Now you can just see it. See here, using for loop, keys are 1 2 3 4 and value is India, USA, Australia and then UK. This is another way. Okay, both key value pairs also we can print it using this one, right? Okay, key value pairs. What we need to do is just entry is the one we need to use it. Okay, integer and then string, right? Okay, just map to, you can use it, or otherwise like key value. Okay, is you that hmap dot entry set. This method is there, entry set method. Okay, this one. Now we know that sys out, just import this one, hmap dot entry set, just import the corresponding things here. Okay, hashmap dot this one. Now error is gone. Now sys out. Okay, this is the reference, right? We need to use it. Dot get key method, we need to use it, and plus, okay, just giving some space here. Okay, and plus, now we need to do is, okay, key value dot get value method is there from entry set entry. Okay, let's try to run the object here. See here, this is the one space, right? We have given 1 India, 2 USA and 3 Australia and fourth one is UK. This is another way of using advanced for loop. And the last one, which is using Java 8 streams, okay, which is most popular one. So now what we need to do is just hmap map interface. Now we are clearing integer type and then value is object, right, and map to. Okay, map to. Here what we need to do is hmap dot entry set method is there. This is the entry set method we need to use. Inside that one I need to use it stream actually. Okay, the stream of, okay, stream method dot collect method we need to use it. I will explain it here. See collectors, right? collectors dot, okay, to map method we need to use it. Here also we need to pass key value pairs. Okay, here x, this is the lambda expressions actually, x dot get key method is there. We need to use this one, and value is x dot get value. Okay, this is the method we need to use it in order to fetch the values in key value pairs. Now just print the map2 object here using sysout. See, I'm just printing. So here, right, if okay, now let's try to this one. Yeah, you can see it. 1 India, 2 USA, 3 Australia, and 4 UK. Okay, so just instead of that one, just just I'm giving some one here just for identification. Let's try to execute the program. See here, this is the last output we have used by using the Java streams actually. So inside the map hmap dot entry set, we will get the key value pairs, and then you inside the stream actually we have collect method, and this is the formed object actually. Collectors dot to map, right? This is the key and this is the value. Key value pairs we are just forming the object, and finally that of formed object we are getting by using collect method actually, and just returning as a map object. Here this is the map reference, we are storing it, and finally that map object we are getting printed using sysout actually. These are the different ways actually to get the map hash map values. If you want to get it like directly, we can get it by using hash map. Okay, separately we can get it using queue set and values. Another way is using iterator interface. Okay, using iterator interface, what we can do is has next method return like boolean and value, and next method will return the value actually. See here, if you keep this cursor here, this it will return the next element in the iteration. Okay, iteration object. And by using this sysout map.getKey and get value, we will get the final output actually. And another way is if you want to get key and values separately by using advanced for loop, this is how using key set and values method we will get it, and finally we are storing them into integer and the string object values actually. And both key value pairs we will get it here by using this one, and finally by using map integer string map to, okay, this is the one we get it actually. Out of these approaches, the best approach is using this Java streams. Okay, so while dealing with lot of performance issues, just a prefer way is using in single line, like we will get the key value pairs of hash map objects. Okay, okay, this is all about hash map, like values fetching by using in three different ways. Okay, using traditional method and using advanced for loop and using Java 8 streams. Okay, and best approach is out of these three using Java 8 streams. Please if you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts. In next video like we'll come up with new different topic, and for more interesting videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.